Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, welcome. Today we are going to make chickpeas from dried chickpeas. We buy a bag of chickpeas. They are normally 1 pound. You can do the whole pound and freeze whatever is left over. So soak them in water overnight and they will plump up just like you see. They are really round and much bigger than the ones that you set to soak. You just place them in your pot, then you look at how much water it has, and you need to add enough water to cover them and maybe go half an inch up. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of processed garlic and 1 red onion that I've cut in fourths. Then 2 bay leaves and a tablespoon of olive oil. It is going to be all you need. We're going to add salt and pepper when they're already cooked. So cover your pot. It will cook over pressure for 20 minutes. Let the steam go out slowly on its own and open these amazing garbanzos. Then serve them with some brown rice, and you can add a sprig of fresh oregano, a little bit of salt and pepper if you want. And we're gonna add some yogurt. You can use coconut or soy yogurt if you're a vegan. Garbanzos can be used for many dishes. Even the liquid from the garbanzos can be used at times instead of egg whites. So, remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious food, sustainable food. Check out the full recipe on YouTube. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.